I'm Ty with WTI, and these are my Canon Pixma ink cartridges. The best thing about this ink cartridge is its reliability in ensuring that my printer consistently delivers sharp and vibrant prints. I use my printer to print documents, but I mainly use it to print lined paper and letterheads because I still write letters. But what I appreciate about these ink cartridges is that this multi-pack of black and color ink, it provides me with all the ink that I need for my Canon printer in just one purchase. And Canon is known for its high quality printing, and these ink cartridges are no exception. I think that it prints clear, detailed prints, whether it's documents, photos, or graphics. And I love how easy and hassle-free it was for me to install these ink cartridges in the printer. It took me no time just to snap them in. And that's my point of view.